Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is quick and easy day and I made a mini Christmas tree. I love these. I've made a bigger one of these quite a few years ago. I'll try to find it and link it in the description. It was a large size, but I made a little mini one today. I love these for ornaments. These are so cute to give to like your family and friends that come over for the holidays. You can fill it with some Hershey's Kisses. It'll probably fit 3 or 4. I'm going to try when we do it to put in some different candies and see what actually fits in it. But I know Hershey's Kisses will fit in here. M&M's will fit in here, but it's so cute. You can probably put some little mints in here as well. This worked out perfect with this die here that is from the Pen Flowers dies. Now this is in our annual catalog and it goes with the Pen Flowers and it is a bundle, but you can buy these separately and I love it for this alone. And I've used the stamp set as well in other videos, but I love this because it's got stitching up at the top and it was perfect size for this box. And then I also am using the Merry Christmas, but I'm using it from the Peaceful Deer because I wanted a small sentiment. I don't want anything that's going to take it over. But I thought this one would be cute too, sending love and peace this season. And you can cut it out. You can stamp it and cut it out with a small circle punch or a small circle die and then just cut the bottom off. That's what I was going to do with this, but I decided to go with the Merry Christmas. So you can use either one of those for this. And then I am using just for this little star. I was looking for a star somewhere and I found it in the Sentiment Silhouettes. But this is what I'm sharing today. If you are new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, and share because I really want to get to that 50,000 by the end of the year, and it's coming so quick. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. All right, so let's get started with this one. It is so fun to make and it's so easy, y'all. But wouldn't it be cute? You can even make it, tie a bow at the top and use it as a place setting. I thought that would be really, really cute as well. All right, so what you need for this is a piece of 3 by 6. And then I already cut out, you need a piece that's 1/2 inch. And I did it actually by 11. This was just another piece I had. And then you're going to use this die. You're going to line it up to the bottom right here, the bottom of it. And then you're going to run these through the cut and emboss. I already did a couple of them. I did this one and then I did this one as well. And I had it left over from that other box. I had this piece. I don't think I'm going to need all this, but I just cut out 2 that were 1/2 by 11 and I ran those both through and I did have some left. So, and then you need a piece for the sentiment, which is just basic white. I'm using the thick as I always do. And I also used some Daffodil Delight and cut out the star. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to make this right now. I love these. These are such easy boxes, y'all. You can make them for, I've made several for different occasions. I think I made a candy corn and I've made a couple trees, different trees. And I can't remember what else. I'll look to see what I can find. All right, so you are going to cut this, not cut it, but you are going to score this on the 6-inch side at 3 right in half, and that is it for that. So you're going to have to do some hand scoring. So you are going to take this and you are going to mark it. I usually just put a little dot with my stylus at 2.5. That is halfway between the 3-inch. And then you're going to score from that mark that you just marked to the other score mark. You can make these all different sizes too. But this one's so cute for like just a little treat for guests at Christmas. You can even do these for coworkers and stocking stuffers. All right, so I marked that again at 1.5 and we are going to that score mark again that's in the middle. So you're doing an upside down V on this. All right, and that is all that you're doing for that. I'm going to grab my bone folder here and we are going to sharpen these. I love this about this bone folder. By the way, I have this linked in the description as well. And this is as easy as this box can get. So that's your box. I'm going to use my hole punch. I'm using the 1/8 inch, which you know we don't carry anymore. I've talked about this before. And I'm going to open one side so I can get in here with this hole punch. And I am going to punch just on the sides here. And then I'm going to open this side because it just makes it easier. And we are going to do it this way. Punch it right in the middle. Alright, so I am going to use my Real Red out of the green Real Red and Garden Green combo pack that I've been using this whole season. I love this ribbon. And we're going to go through one side here. And then we're going to go on the outside of this one. And you're going to come in here. And then you're going to go through this side right here. Make sure you have a really nice point like I put on this one. And you want both of these sides going the same way. So just make sure when you do that, they're going the same way. So I am going to tie a knot in here just to keep this box closed. So I'm going to tie it tight there. And then I'm going to make this an ornament because that's what I'm going to use these for this year. So I'm going to make them for my friends and family. These are so easy. And I didn't add the candy. I want to try this. We need to add the candy because I want to show you how many like Hershey's Kisses and stuff fit inside here. So you just need to open it like this way, and then you can just stick them in here. So I grabbed 4. So let's see if we can get 4 in here or 3. I think 3 is going to be it, y'all. So 3 fits in there good. You could probably put Hershey's Nuggets in here as well. So let's tie that up again. And you can get the Hershey's Kisses at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's as money saving getting the smaller bags. I usually just grab them, and I always have some on hand. So then I'm tying another knot at the top here, and I'm just going to make it like kind of like a little bow at the top there, just like that. So that this is the front because it's going back. You know, I like to do that. And now this is the fun part, adding all this little ruffle. I call it a ruffle, but it's the scallop. So you are just going to go take it on here. And then you're just going to start layering this. Make sure your stitching's going the right way. And I overlap the sides because we are cutting it as we go. So I make sure I have that down really good, and then I start trimming. You can do all the pieces if you want to cut them. I just find this is so much easier. Just doing it as you go. Just put enough glue on there so it holds each layer. And I want the stitching showing on these, and I need to cut this because I messed up that one part, so I have plenty here so I can, and I want all that stitching to show, so. And then you're just going to keep going up. You know, your pieces are going to get smaller as you go up. So you can see how it's starting to look. It's so cute. I love this ruffle on this one. On the other ones I did, I think, a bigger ruffle. It's been a while since I've done them, so I can't always remember exactly. Sometimes I get questions about things I did like 8 years ago or longer, and I'm like, I have to go back and look at it. I cannot remember what I used or what. My mind is not that sharp, y'all. So I had to go back and look at a few of the ones I got questions on here recently. All right, and then we're going to just keep going up. I just use my best parts. Sometimes when I do the second row of these, like when I'm layering this and I have to go on to the next part, sometimes it overlaps and it has a little bit of a, like, it cuts like a little bit of this off. I just take the best parts and use those. So you can, I would just, if you have problems with that, just cut more. It doesn't happen very often, but you can. But I love this ruffle on there. I know I can't say it enough, y'all. This ruffle on here is so pretty. I hope that you can see with the stitching how cute it is. And you can decorate these whatever way you want. I need to grab my other piece because I cut that. And you don't even have to go all the way to the very top because our star's going up there. Let's see if the star is going to cover that or if I need to put one more piece. I'm going to put one more piece, and I'm only going to do like 2 here, and then I'll just trim that back. That's our last piece right there. Oh, don't lose my star. And I'm going to put the star on right at the top here. I wish I had some glitter. I should have brought some glitter to glitter up that star. I think it'd be really cute with some glitter on it. Alright, so I'm going to stamp this sentiment. Look how cute though. Look, can you see how cute that is? I hope that you can see. It's a little overcast today, so I'm going to use basic black for the sentiment. I debated on using the shaded spruce because this is shaded spruce, or the real red, but I decided against that, and I decided just to go with this because it shows up really good. I'm just cutting it close to there. I'm cutting it straight. I'm not flagging it or anything, but you can do what you like. And then I'm going to add some wet glue to here. I'm going to put that on the bottom here. So darn cute, this little one. And so the 3 Hershey Kisses that fit in there, I think that's really a cute amount for like a little guest treat. I'm using my red rhinestones here as well for the ornaments, but I'm going to tell you, I tried these pearlized enamel effects, the real red, and it was so cute. It had a lot of dimension on there, and I thought about using this and sprinkling it with glitter because I always want to add some kind of glitter. You know what? I'm going to grab my Wink of Stella because I have it right here, and I'm going to put it on that star because I just want that star to be shining for. It's so cute. All right, let's add our red rhinestones. I really did like the one. I should have kept it, but it messed up on the other. I messed up on the other tree, so I didn't want to share it. But I'm just randomly putting these on. You can put as many or as little as you like. And it does give that little shine on it too. I think this is going to be the last one. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do right there. But look at how cute, y'all. I hope that you like this one. It's so sweet and little, and I just think it turned out adorable. I hope that you like it. I'm going to put Wink of Stella on this other one too because it looks really cute. All right, look how cute. Aren't they adorable? I hope you enjoy it, everyone. I have a new hostess code for November, and you can shop from my blog. All the supplies list will be on my blog with the inspiration sheet for making these. And that's my November hostess code this month. One last thing I didn't want to forget to tell you, and I almost did. Whoever orders $50 or more with me in the month of November, there is going to be a special gift I'm going to send to everybody. It is my anniversary month, my 10-year anniversary with Stampin' Up. So I am going to do something special for all of you who order for me. And I will check and see whose orders were 50 and more. And at the end of the month, I'm going to send a free gift with the thank you card. Have a blessed day, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.